Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka film Gangs of Northeast, ka balaring doru hasilong, layo pan plat ba henne kasngi ka khat pra tudek unailar. Hapalat saupotli ki cinema hall, hakaleng ki jela jongani ka than chatai lamingi. Bat hasilong pat la plat ba ha Galleria Anjali Cinema Hall, Biju Cinema Hall, bat ha ka Jakasa ki pulen ka Northeast Police Academy ha umyam. Hakani ka sngi sedang pen ipat ba yakani ka film henne ka sngi hasilong lai dan langro ki puran marketing shop hakani ka film ki badai na ka jela Assam nang tau producer jongani ka film rengkat kini shimanta hakani ka film ki badai ki khasi.
Father ngalale po hakamagale kumnungan ya tu ya ka jing shisha Michael cuba ambil kecing keli jonga
Kani ketika tuma cuma. Naitan keti. First word.
Kay ka pangale Kaday na bentar jing ba chong pa so ma bien amag
See, our expectation was to get the Northeast united, you know. So we have actors from Arunachal, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam, everybody all together doing this movie. So when this project came to me, I readily agreed, you know. I thought, why not, let's take a chance and do this and see. But, you know, since Northeast also has a big Hindi population, so we thought, no, why not take a Hindi population? So we're releasing the Hindi movie first. And in the due course of time, we'll be releasing the Khasi version and the Assamese version as well. See, that is one big issue for us, and we want, you know, these drugs to be eradicated from Northeast. You know how many people are affected in the Northeast because of drugs. You know, so here we have a message actually in this movie. You know, that drugs is really harmful for life. So, you know, we want all our Northeast brothers, you know, to learn from this movie something and remove drugs from it.
It became a myth now that people believe I'm a very serious actor because all the films which I've done there in Assam. So it's always the serious kind of roles which I have done. Here exactly it's one of the characters which I have played a very potential character to, if I can portray. I hope I did justice to it. I tried my best actually, and about this character, if I have to start, it's a long story though. I won't take much of the time. But yes, this is a very interesting and very tough and very emotional and tragic character. So to cry alone and to do all stuff like when you are very emotional inside, so to perform that on camera was quite difficult for me that time. But I think people will love it if they come to the nearest cinema halls and watch this film. See, drug is a serious problem which is always underlying. It's like flowing beneath us, which is not very open to everybody, but it's always there. Since Northeast is the only hub where there are so many states, neighboring countries, so it's quite easy for them to do such kind of things. So we are not exactly portraying the drugs, or we are not exactly supporting it. We are just showing it that yes, there is a part, there is a virus, there is a parasite in our society which is called drugs. So of course it's bad. You have seen in the film what happened to the guy who used to take drugs. So no drugs.
I'm from Assam, and this is my debut movie. I would like to thank our producer Kenny Lingdo for taking this step, such a huge step, means uniting all the states of Northeast. And yeah, this is my debut movie. So being a debut movie, it's my first experience, and it is awesome, and I'm very excited. And I would like to say to all the Shillong people, please come and watch this movie. And once again, I would like to thank our producer Kenny Lingdo. It is this movie's success only because of him. Every location in Meghalaya, in Shillong, it is done only because of Kenny Lingdo. Thank you.
Akan expect bang anong kum katuka durken namar jingsha okay ka ba kichu singa ka decision ka ba best nam tajuki so the mga kam expect ba kadurunga kan long to kan long kumiklong itinan and nasog ngam di mga direct way patken ka bang adon bentahi mga kadi kaway hapo Guwahati but kaway hapo umpling Ba nam tagi ba nganong fi ba wajul eran da don ki audition da fi dan hi ka sap ka jing trang ba pin yo akle mo ju up ju shong tang na ka jing kho jing ke breu henry let mi ira de tur hila de let audition fin your experience ki ba bon ha and nang tu fin years mo thu ila de ba fi dan shan am ka acting but ka jing trang fi fin so thu sha ba ka dan
jing I jongai ila de te ngai Kalau ni kabiang hi, kadon hi kejeng dunama kri kersat nanga. Marwa balik kene kadang deka fast jong adama, fast film nono. Te ngangit ba ondang la ngayo lat bangan continue haki wi film ala ba khamle bha susu na ta. Nama kan biang. Story jong ada kaya be direct bang ala di drugs. Omba ka sedang kan. Mereka kaya be kumtah ya skrip. Nah, ada kumtah hi mbak yo na skrip. Kawai te kalong ba kum kajing sneng ya ki kena samla jungi menta kan mo khamtam sin shlong le te kla jor plak ni drugs te kumnu ke jinjar kan haba kingop ha me drugs te kane ka banga ak menta kalong kani ka role jong ka drugs adek kamut ba ka peni ba sin bla ngop how drugs kamut kanu kajing jinjar kajing em om don pisa haban chu krong tu hab pen dap ram kini kita long kumtahi ha ka real life ru kalong kumtahi ladak kingat how ni drugs te kalong ka ta ngalong kalong kum kajing sneng ya ki samla jungi lada ki pe yen ke film kalong kajing sneng ya ki kan ba kim dei ban ngop hau ni drugs kajing sofer kalong ba lada ngai simenta bat ki kajing sofer kalong ba ngaso tenat pelat nomor ba ngampar jusyam ba naki ba kilong kibron burom ate ningkong ba ngalai sathi ngaso kum ba nga khasi de kumta hi mo kin sakhenya he rei am kilong bai kawai kum si sistem ngi song lang ye thu khana lang ngi bam lang ngi herki kemen lang stunat sakawai ru kolong ba bat ki hi ngi kendu ya ki balong experience kum vivek riwati long belak hampau kilong long sta na sti kan te long yo experience lang te naki kata hi ka stunat tam hangate
Hangai te ngala so hun ya ka jing system jong jing stress tong yang bar khat nadu ki cast ki crew ki technician ki ne kitai te ka jingrai ka song pat haki pai ba de ki pai menta kin spread the word te ngathai ki enjoy hi long ba sakawe long bala dangi kwa bania support bakan kiu kan ka film ndai tangani long kanu ka film ki ban sawan ka liang nakari jungi sini hi ka jing support hi ka de ka jing ya le mi sa hall bania support ya kan ini ka projek las dang nasional long te kajing ya sultanat kalong ba si ka haba ka projek kadai nang ni te ka sai ka premier show kan kami songkhia nang ni sakhamat te ngathai ngim dadon plan at transu ka gang som not is banong bangin le maybe the ban continue kom kan ka yo film te ka song stang ha ka ki projek la dangidan ki projek ki banwan thmai hadien ka budget te kala along menta 50 plus right now because ka kawai ka bang nya trying sham shitom mangi kum gin na film ne kan ka distribution but kan ka marketing ka bade ka song rem hana baro ki keliang and plus ba ka distribution bon bagi control hi na po nang Guwahati pat na ki we ki benta ki jingna te ngathai gindan hi tama nga kham e thu ha fi hang ngam pa yo pai bhai ka film la jong te nganong jingna gindan be because kam judon ka film banono ko balong perfect hi because tang balong lada ki breu ki lalong entertain for to us I think that will be a success ka success yang pen i balong kum ki khna samla jong ngi jungat bha kum gitu ki mo te henry katu kam de ka ka balong ka manumla ban mi mo because bila I kum tu ngathai arne sang to por ula pla bo la eno ka drugs te kadai tabang ngim dei ban ong banginum la ban ong ba kamdan ka drugs ring right now notice kalong very much te we should fight back maybe and media is a strong message ba bangin fight kita barkhai ki pajba bakin ya litpej bakin kersan la me ka film mdei tang ban ong ba kadai ka film gang som notice handai ne ki film ki ban mi ru ngi dei hi ban ya lek khamtam bangin ya lek hall ban ya ticket ban katai ka season ba firung hall fit ticket kala dei hi lupa ka jing kersan
ngai kani ka film Gang of Northeast ka I'm same kini ki khun samla jongi ki baran hagani ka line film namar ka de ka first film menta baki khasi jongi ki collaboration lang baki nong Assam Teknik sebutanat bat ngi natakdang asawan pet nama bakidan ki kun samlap kum ki perlok jonga kan tu kum Gabriel I akak tu ke film Gang of Not East natakdang asawan pet badan duduk ki jong ki Albert Iba Elson Lamre ki balak pau khmat bah kan ni ke meglaya jongi nakadang iwan Aiman Sim bang dan lang bat ki kan ni ke film ka jinduna jong ni ke film kat ke jingi jonga te kadai ha ke jingrai kim dasna than bat karukum pictures bat karukum pictures ki jingrai kam de itna than kat kat kum ke budget jong ki kan nama ngaong ha kan ni kadai kat ke jing ke budget jong ki nama ki ong san polak am natakadang asyong kat ke jing budget jong ki ba ka pictures jong ka video ke jang ke jingrai kam da kata than kan ni ka film overall ka biang ke jing show jing mut jonga ngai itna tu ka pa jong tu be aktor wiam apar ba sama jong kala syapnya ba ki gang ketu ka moment ka best moment kalong soul realistic ba ka itna sha kom riam jong kan kalong itna dingi ha bangi pet yugi ngilong kumba kalong itna ada hadu kata ta ba mau wiam kalong so real kalong umes sha kan yaktu samla jong hadu kata kalong ka jing na jong kan
kani ka film te ka internet shama namar ba long komentak ni kani ka drugs problem ka kanrei bha man lakat khubor man ka poring la bani te kani ka film ka don jingmut shama kam ta me ki khon samla te karpat ki khon samla bakin wan ban ai min se me kani ka film ban pe jaka
Gang of Not East ngam la suban batai hadu kat no ka long ka ba internet palan kam tam ha ka rukom shoot de ka first time bang ya I ba hang ni Meghalaya jong I ha jong I ka film ka bakum ka ne ngalong snow sarong ha kam tam ba kini long producer ngampoi perkhat ba kan long advance lu kat ni kan ni film jing sha day ben release all over India namar ba kay rengkat bat ka Bollywood kan ni ka film ka banga itanat tam hang ni ka day ka action kalong kum Bollywood style kum Hollywood style kata ka banga itanat ka banga mi itanat piong tang ketu ka dubbing ka kam iwit khendet namar ba itu ba kalong dubbing te na kini ki jaka ki ba kila yo shoot and then kini ki angle ki ba kila shim nga ngit scam ba kani ka kan penkiu bha ya kani ki jaka ki bedon changi wan mengaru ngarang shock ngam ju ire kini ki jaka ki shoot kani ngam ju poer kini saka te ngangit ba anda kileo I sabar ya kani ka film ka banungkong hi ka banlong attraction ha ka dai ka jaka ka film ka storyline kalong simple ma kalong simple ko storyline tang ba ka way em ka ba itanat ba kilong connect ba kilong ki kimdon kita kisin ki bang shuwe sky kan barok kisin ki support ba iwe
kejing I jonga kan film Gang of Not East ngai I ba ka kata kejing ya trailang bat ki wei pat ki state kalong ba kejing bha kalong ba ka ai msien ya ki wei ro ban ya trailang chuchu gumne ban pen he ya ka yeu film industry kene ka lengba kene ka film ki wei pat ki director producer kin ya I gine ki ong ki producer kin la ban perkhat ban ya producer la ban ya tre bat Manipur bat Mizo bat an Naga an Khasi tekan penhe susu ya kayau kejing itu jongai ki ba ngagarpat iki singabha ban yawan page ban bicara gene ka film namar gane ka film gane ka fast ke baya cross culture kum to but Assamese and but kiwe but Khasi and you ta singabha ban wan page namar ka film ka balong internet bha ngai la der internet bha gene ka film kalong very emotional movie ta singabha ban yawan page gene